Leviticus chapter 17 verses 1 to 16 and Leviticus chapter 18 verses 1 to 30. 17. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, to speak to Aaron and to his sons and to all the children of Israel, and say to them, this is the thing which Yahweh has commanded. 3. Whatever man there is of the house of Israel who kills a bull, or lamb, or goat in the camp, or who kills it outside the camp, for an Azan brought it to the door of the tent of meeting, to offer it as an offering to Yahweh before Yahweh's tabernacle. Blood shall be imputed to that man. He has shed blood, that man shall be cut off from among his people. 5. This is to the end, that the children of Israel may bring their sacrifices, which they sacrifice in the open field, that they may bring them to Yahweh, to the door of the tent of meeting, to the priest, and sacrifice them for sacrifices of peace offerings to Yahweh. 6. The priest shall sprinkle the blood on Yahweh's altar at the door of the tent of meeting, and burn the fat for a pleasant aroma to Yahweh. 7. They shall no more sacrifice their sacrifices to the goat idols, after which they play the prostitute. This shall be a statute forever to them throughout their generations. 8. You shall say to them, any man there is of the house of Israel, or of the strangers who live as foreigners among them, who offers a burnt offering or sacrifice, 9 and doesn't bring it to the door of the tent of meeting to sacrifice it to Yahweh, that man shall be cut off from his people. 10. Any man of the house of Israel, or of the strangers who live as foreigners among them, who eats any kind of blood, I will set my face against that soul who eats blood, and will cut him off from among his people. 11. For the life of the flesh is in the blood. I have given it to you on the altar to make atonement for your souls, for it is the blood that makes atonement by reason of the life. 12. Therefore, I have said to the children of Israel, no person among you may eat blood, nor may any stranger who lives as a foreigner among you eat blood. 30. Whatever man there is of the children of Israel, or of the strangers who live as foreigners among them, who takes in hunting any animal or bird that may be eaten, he shall pour out its blood, and cover it with dust. 14.4. As to the life of all flesh, its blood is with its life. Therefore, I said to the children of Israel, you shall not eat the blood of any kind of flesh, for the life of all flesh is its blood. Whoever eats it shall be cut off. 15. Every person that eats what dies of itself, or that which is torn by animals, whether he is native-born or a foreigner, shall wash his clothes, and bathe himself in water, and be unclean until the evening. Then he shall be clean. 16. But if he doesn't wash them, or bathe his flesh, then he shall bear his iniquity. Leviticus chapter 18, verses 1 to 30. 18. Yahweh said to Moses, to speak to the children of Israel, and say to them, I am Yahweh your God. 3. You shall not do as they do in the land of Egypt, where you lived. You shall not do as they do in the land of Canaan, where I am bringing you. You shall not follow their statutes. For you shall do my ordinances. You shall keep my statutes and walk in them. I am Yahweh your God. 5. You shall therefore keep my statutes and my ordinances, which if a man does, he shall live in them. I am Yahweh. 6. None of you shall approach any close relatives to uncover their nakedness. I am Yahweh. 7. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your father, nor the nakedness of your mother. She is your mother. You shall not uncover her nakedness. 8. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your father's wife. It is your father's nakedness. 9. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your sister, the daughter of your father, or the daughter of your mother, whether born at home or born abroad. 10. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your son's daughter, or of your daughter's daughter, even their nakedness, for theirs is your own nakedness. 11. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your father's wife's daughter, conceived by your father, since she is your sister. 12. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your father's sister. She is your father's near kinswoman. 13. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your mother's sister, for she is your mother's near kinswoman. 14. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your father's brother. You shall not approach his wife. She is your aunt. 15. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your daughter-in-law. She is your son's wife. You shall not uncover her nakedness. 16. You shall not uncover the nakedness of your brother's wife. It is your brother's nakedness. 17. You shall not uncover the nakedness of a woman and her daughter. You shall not take her son's daughter or her daughter's daughter to uncover her nakedness. They are near kinswomen. It is wickedness. 18. You shall not take a wife, in addition to her sister, to be a rival, to uncover her nakedness while her sister is still alive. 19. You shall not approach a woman to uncover her nakedness, as long as she is impure by her uncleanness. 20. You shall not lie carnally with your neighbor's wife, and defile yourself with her. 21. You shall not give any of your children as a sacrifice to Molech. You shall not profane the name of your God. I am Yahweh. 22. You shall not lie with a man as with a woman. That is detestable. 23. You shall not lie with any animal to defile yourself with it. No woman may give herself to an animal, to lie down with it. It is a perversion. 24. Don't defile yourselves in any of these things, for in all these the nations which I am casting out before you were defiled. 25. The land was defiled. Therefore, I punished its iniquity, and the land vomited out her inhabitants. 26. You therefore shall keep my statutes and my ordinances, and shall not do any of these abominations, neither the native-born nor the stranger who lives as a foreigner among you. 27. For the men of the land that were before you had done all these abominations, and the land became defiled. 28. That the land not vomit you out also, when you defile it, as it vomited out the nation that was before you. 29. For whoever shall do any of these abominations, even the souls that do them shall be cut off from among their people. 30. Therefore you shall keep my requirements, that you do not practice any of these abominable customs which were practiced before you, and that you do not defile yourselves with them. I am Yahweh, your God. Thank you so much for joining me, watching and learning about Leviticus chapter 17, verses 1 to 16, and Leviticus chapter 18, verses 1 to 30. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet, facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams. Until next time.